no? Dito Pete, a lot to mention po. So, yeah, it's very blessed for this opportunity again to come back. And, yun po. Next, not so sure, pero we're thinking somewhere siguro po sa States again, or Europe. But definitely, she loves traveling. I also love traveling. So during breaks or whenever we can, we'd explore the different, siguro po our next might be Europe again, hopefully. But not for a long time kasi nga po, we have work to do for the next months. But definitely, as soon as I'm free, o makalawang kahit a few days off, definitely I prioritize going out on a vacation with her again.
Tonight,
I explain, it sounds cheesy, but I don't feel the responsibility. I just really feel like I have a best friend with me, a wife, that I'm just really enjoying the journey with her. So hindi ko po ma-explain further how much else, but I really love her. And sa kanya po, of course, the way I handle things, our priorities na lang po. Yun na lang po siguro nag-change, priorities. But us itself, we're just growing together. That thing I'm very blessed to have. Thank you.
okay, thank you, Arjo.
Always, we'll never lose time for her. And, it's just, minsan lang po, of course, mahirap. There are weeks, days, months that it's kind of hard from our schedule. But, yun po. In due time po, hopefully we can balance more. And, yun nga po, during breaks as well, may mga singit naman din po kami ng alis-alis para at least we have our own personal time together. So yun po. Pwede na po. I think it's normal naman po, pero nothing big. We haven't fought. I'm very happy. Our journey has been nothing but great. We're growing together. And I'm just very blessed that it's her. At the same time, masarap po sa feeling. May asawa as well. She's made it easier. She's been very more understanding, especially with the demand of both jobs that I'm in right now. And yun lang po, her support, her care for me is on a different level. So I'm just really blessed. I explain, it sounds cheesy, but I don't feel the responsibility. I just really feel like I have a best friend with me, a wife, that I'm just really enjoying the journey with her. So hindi ko po ma-explain further how much else, but I really love her. And sa kanya po, of course, the way I handle things, our priorities na lang po. Yun na lang po siguro nag-change, priorities. But us itself, we're just growing together. That thing I'm very blessed to have. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Arjo.
Have a baby soon. Parang yun din inaantay ng tao kailan niya sa celeb niya.
I would love to answer.
Unang ka pa ni Rhea, di ba?
Oo po. I'm very happy for my sister, Sanjo. Very, very happy. But regarding us, secret na lang po. Of course, we talk about it. But that's between us po muna. For now, we're really enjoying each other's time kasi hindi naman po ito mauulit. Na kami dalawa na lang po. Diba, together and for a long time, so we're just enjoying po. And yun po, secret na lang po kung kailan. That's between us na lang po. But definitely we talk about it po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thanks, Al. Top of mind.
Best celebration? Yeah, my wedding. My wedding is still the best celebration. That's still one thing I'd be always, I don't know, out of words to say, but always be thankful that I could wake up next to her every day. So, thank you. Husband, first, son, brother, politician, actor.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.